Time to steam some more shit. That's nasty. So it's been a week of me having the steamer, and after my dining table, I moved on to my baseboards. This is the baseboard in my restroom, and listen, I'm gonna tell you something, I'm gonna be keeping it real honest as usual. This steamer ain't Jesus. It ain't gonna perform a miracle, but it's doing a damn good job. I have the landlord special, so there is paint layers, like literally, what's that one challenge? 1,000 layers of paint? That's here. They be painting over pelos and flies, but it did a freaking good job. She's still crusty, dusty, musty, but she's a lot better, and you cannot tell me I'm lying. From the baseboards, I moved on to the bathroom cabinets. I went in with a dry paper towel first just to show you guys that it'll dust off like any of the loose dust, but the steamer makes a difference, y'all. Mira nomás. This beauty, she's a grace. She's a steamer. Abso-fucking-lately. You'll see the difference. That shit's fucking batshit nuts. Look at this, getting rid of the shitty landlord special. I love it. My sister had a baby. Oh. I haven't used this. I don't know how to use this. All right, so once I kind of figured out this attachment, I don't know if I love it yet because it kind of like doesn't glide as smoothly. I prefer just like the straight shooter. I don't know what else to call it, but this thing has had me literally cleaning everything. I'm about short of steaming my husband's ass because with the amount of time he spent on the toilet, he needs a good deep clean. My first complaint is that it's not cordless. Obviously, that's not on the steamer. That's just on me because I want to steam everything and anyone that comes in my vicinity. The other thing I wanted to mention is that the plastic on this does not feel like the best quality, but it gets the job done, so I'm happy with it. And for the price tag, I don't think you can beat it. And then the final complaint, and my biggest complaint, is that this thing has me cleaning all the time now. What the hell? What am I, Cinderella?